Discover the pinnacle of organization with our top-rated wire ceiling storage racks. Engineered for efficiency, these racks optimize vertical space, clearing clutter from your floor. Crafted with durable materials, they offer strength and stability for your storage needs. Transform your space into a clutter-free haven with our best wire ceiling storage racks, the ultimate solution for maximizing storage in any room. There are many products available to choose best wire ceiling storage racks, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best wire ceiling storage racks from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Introducing the simple trending 3-tier stackable wire shelving unit storage rack, the ultimate solution for versatile storage in any space. Whether in the kitchen, office, bedroom, or beyond, this wire shelving unit keeps supplies and essentials neatly organized. Its leveling feet ensure easy positioning and stability, while the stackable design with adjustable shelf heights maximizes storage efficiency. Crafted with sturdy metal and a sleek black coating, it's both durable and stylish. With dimensions of 13-inch dx 23.75 wx 31.75 h, it offers ample storage without taking up much floor space. Easy to assemble with included tools, this shelving unit is a must-have for decluttering and organizing any area of your home or workspace. Number 2. Introducing the Ausler 3-Shelf Storage Wire Shelves Heavy, a versatile and robust storage solution designed to maximize space and efficiency. With a large capacity and sturdy frame, each shelf holds up to 250 pounds, ensuring stability and durability. Constructed from rust-resistant metal with a sleek chrome finish, it's ideal for various environments, including bathrooms, balconies, workshops, and garages. Adjustable shelves cater to your specific needs, making it perfect for pantry organization, office storage, or garage essentials. Assembly is a breeze with no tools required, and adjustable leveling feet ensure stability while protecting floors. Its modern design adds a touch of elegance to any space, making it not just practical but also a stylish addition to your home or workspace. Number 3. Introducing our sleek and efficient storage shelves, a 2-tier wire shelving unit with basket storage rack, designed to elevate your organization game. With 5 floors of black family shelving, this unit is perfect for maximizing space in any room. Its ceiling mount design offers stability and frees up valuable floor space. Crafted from durable metal, it ensures long-lasting use. The included metal shelves provide ample storage for various items. Easy to install, it requires minimal effort to set up. Whether in the kitchen, garage, or pantry, this shelving unit adds both functionality and style to your space. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to tidy, organized living with our storage shelves. Number 4. Introducing our fixed layer spacing storage shelf, a versatile and sturdy solution for all your storage needs. Crafted from high-quality carbon steel with a powder-coated finish, this 3-tier metal storage rack offers both ample space and robust structure. Suitable for a variety of settings including bathrooms, kitchens, and garages, it accommodates a range of items from tools to books, clothes to microwave ovens. Each shelf boasts a weight capacity of 132 pounds, totaling 396 pounds for the entire unit, ensuring reliable storage for your belongings. With simple assembly and no tools required, its solid steel wire design provides superior stability and durability. Backed by a lifetime warranty, we guarantee both quality and longevity. Experience the convenience and satisfaction of organized living with our fixed layer spacing storage shelf. Number 5. Introducing the MZG Heavy Duty Rolling Garment Rack, your ultimate solution for versatile and robust clothing storage. With dimensions of 17.7-inch dx 47.2 wx 83.6 h, this rack boasts an impressive weight capacity of 1,050 pounds when stationary and 600 pounds when in motion. Crafted from high-quality carbon steel and anti-rust materials, it ensures stability and durability, with a thicker pipe diameter for added strength. The 3-tier design offers adjustable shelves, including a hanging rod and side hooks, catering to items of various sizes. Equipped with lockable 360 degrees wheels, including 2 locking wheels, it provides effortless mobility, making it perfect for any space from closets to laundry rooms. Easy to assemble with included instructions, this garment rack is a must-have for any home or commercial setting. Experience the convenience and reliability of the MZG heavy-duty rolling garment rack today. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.